Hello everybody, my name is Dr. 𝗤𝗂𝗵𝗀. I'm the Medical Director of Fakih IVF Abu Dhabi, and I'm also the Chair of Academics running the fellowship program for doctors and embryologists for the Fakih group. Fakih IVF is not only the pioneer of IVF treatment in the UAE, but we are also pioneer of training the doctors, embryologists, and nurses in the super specialized field of obstetrics and gynecology. And I'm really pleased to announce that we are now partnering with 𝗤𝗏𝗵 team to start the IVF chapter, where we will be training the doctors, embryologists, nurses, and all those gynecologists, whether they want to manage fertility patients or simply want to sharpen their understanding of reproductive medicine. They can attend these different workshops that we will be running across, and we also will be providing diploma, masters, and certification. These programs we will be commencing in the next couple of weeks. Some of them will be online, and then we will start hybrid courses. So watch out for that space. I'm also pleased to inform you all that we will be running a 2-day weekend course in December. And this will be open to all gynecologists, embryologists, and IVF professionals who wants to bridge lab and clinical perspectives. Expect lively case-based panels, practical discussions, and real-world insights that you can apply immediately to your clinical practice. This 2-day workshop will have CME points, and we are also working towards getting these programs accredited by the Department of Health. So I urge you to reserve your place early, as we have limited slots available, and I very much look forward to seeing you all there. Have a good day. Bye.